Haircutting, 30 minutes. You will perform a haircut. You will complete a basic layered haircut using razor and shears. You will cut at least 1 inch of hair throughout the haircut. Do not remove your hair clippings from your work area until you are instructed individually by the examiner to do so. You will be expected to follow all client protection, safety, and infection control procedures. You will have 30 minutes to complete this section. You will be informed when you have 15 minutes remaining. Step back to indicate that you have finished. You may begin. Just some recommendations for the hair cutting procedure. You will be using a razor to cut. There is no certain percentage of time you will be using a razor to cut. I recommend that you use the razor to cut from the nape down, or the top of the ear down of your 90-degree haircut. You do not have to per our North Carolina board. That is just what I recommend. The razor must perform a task in your haircut. That is all that the practical exam asks, is that the razor perform a task. Please make sure you palm your shears throughout the haircut when not in use. Make sure that your shears or razor are kept in a container that can be disinfected. The cut must be complete. Please remember to cross-check when you are finished. You must cut 1 inch of hair. Your sections throughout the haircut, do as you are taught. Your subsections throughout the haircut, do as you are taught. At the end of the haircut, they are looking to make sure that you cut the entire nape line at a uniform length, that you are cutting the sides to uniform in length, and that you blend the haircut. So in this haircut, she did her 0 degree, which is her guideline, with the razor. Now she's showing elevation with that razor. The reason I say go up to the top of the ear with the razor is because it's quicker and it'll help you get through your haircut faster. However, make sure you palm your razor also. So I've asked her to stop the haircut at this point because you're just going to continue with your shears to complete a 90-degree haircut. I want you to complete the haircut as if you were the way you were taught. Please make sure that at the end of the haircut, when the timer goes off and they say please stop working, please stop the haircut. If not, they will take off points. Also, once everybody has completed, they are going to read, all candidates have indicated that they have completed this section of the examination. Please do nothing until the next verbal instructions are given. Then the proctor will go individually to each student and say, may I please use your comb to check the haircut? At this time, they're checking your uniform to make sure that your nape is in a uniform length, that your sides are in a uniform length, and that you have blended the haircut. Afterwards, they are going to say, please clean up your hair at this time. Upon completion, please do nothing until the next verbal instructions are given. There are brooms and dustpans on site. You will put the trash in your container labeled trash. Make sure that you clean the floor, your workstation. You can take off the cape and shake it if you like, but you would need to reapply the cape. Make sure there are no hair clippings on your station or on the mannequin's face. Once everybody in the room has completed their haircut and has been checked, they will read, all examiners have indicated that they are ready to proceed.